This is 3-in-1 zinc alloy charging data cable liquid silicon 120 watts for Type-C, micro USB, and iPhone. And there is also single alloy charging data cable silicon for micro USB, Type-C, and iPhone. This 3-in-1 alloy charging data cable silicon has durable CNC zinc alloy head with a strong plug and LED power indicator. Soft silicone wire. Wear-resisting, flame retardant and non-discoloring or no yellow turning. It is also very convenient to use at night. Click the yellow basket now. Get your own alloy silicone charging cable.